colleague Apurva continues to stay with us, getting us all the latest update from Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. Apurva, what are the challenges that are being faced by the authorities?
Well, in fact, what we are getting to learn is that there have been over 150 relief centers that have been given out in across several districts here in Andhra Pradesh, especially right from the belt of Nellore well into Kalingapatnam and Srikakulam, where, we are expecting, in fact, the landfall is expected to happen between Machilipatnam and Kalingapatnam is what officials have predicted, and that is somewhere in the Kakinada region where I am currently standing at, and we are also getting to experience heavy winds and rainfall that is continuously lashing on since early this morning, as IMD has predicted that it's only going to worsen through the day as well. Officials have predicted that this landfall is likely to occur later on in the day and sometime over late evening and even in the midnight today as well. And we are getting to know that the winds are only likely to worsen roughly well into 90 kilometers per hour to 110 kilometers per hour. That's the wind speed that is also predicted here in and around Kakinada and other regions as well. In fact, the Andhra Pradesh government has put out rehabilitation centers, helpline numbers for the public to access, and also special nodal officers who have been appointed for over 20 districts here in Andhra Pradesh, who will be monitoring and assessing the situation on ground as well, especially in Kakinada and Konaseema and Visakhapatnam as well, where rains have been continuously lashing on since yesterday morning. We have seen, several people who have been evacuated from said low-lying areas, and they have been brought to such relief centers as well. In fact, the Andhra Pradesh government has been on a complete cyclone, reassess mode as well, wherein not only are they looking into rehabilitation centers, but they're also looking into seeing that there is also stock of food, water, and other basic amenities for the people who have been moved to said rehabilitation centers as well. Ambulances have been kept on standby, and also the NDRF and SDRF teams are on standby here, not only in Kakinada but also across various districts as well. Over 20 plus teams of NDRF and SDRF have been segregated and sent to each and every area, nook and corner of where this landfall is predicted as well, right from Machilipatnam well into Kalingapatnam as well. The NDRF and SDRF teams have been deployed at various centers to ensure that should there be help required by any Samaritan at any point of time, then they will be there to help and assist the measures and see that the public safety is the utmost priority as well. Yesterday, Prime Minister Modi had also spoken to Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister there, Nara Chandrababu Naidu, taking stock of situation as Cyclone Mantha is expected to continue on and increase its intensity as it goes on, and that's what we're also seeing here. Just a few minutes back you saw there weren't rains, but suddenly now, rains and wind has started lashing out here in Kakinada, and IMD has predicted that it's only going to continue on towards this evening as well, when the cyclone intensity is going to increase and landfall is likely to occur as towards the late evening and well into the night tonight as well.
All right, Apurva, we'll advise you to please take care of your safety as well. So as you can see in these visuals from Kakinada, heavy rains and gusty winds are already there, even though there are 10 to 12 hours still left for the cyclone to hit Andhra Pradesh. But the wind speeds are expected to go up to 110 km per hour, from 90 to 110 km per hour. The landfall is expected today in the evening or by night, and it is going to hit Machilipatnam in Andhra Pradesh.